Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to learn on how to map values in a Panda data frame. So sometimes you need to add a column and fill a column on basis of another column already present. In those cases, you can use this map function. So basically, this is the code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here and also run that for you. So you can see I've created a function named def kickstarter underscore example underscore 93. Now these are general to print statements. In order to ignore unnecessary warnings, I've imported warnings too, and I've filtered those warnings using warnings dot filter warnings ignore. I've loaded my pandas library. Now I've created a data dictionary named raw underscore data, first name, last name, age, and city. Now df equal to pd dot data frame. It takes two parameter. I have given two parameters. It takes many of those, but I'm using two parameters over here. So raw data and column. This is my data frame, and this columns is the name of my function. Name of my columns over here that is in my data frame. So you need to pass a list. My list was first name, last name, age, and city. Now print df. This will print my data frame for me. Now I'm creating a dictionary in order to map the values. So San Francisco San Francisco should go for California, city to state. That is, this is my city name, whereas this is my state name. So what I'm trying to do, I'm going to under the name Francisco should be present in California, Baltimore in Maryland, Miami in Florida, Douglas in Arizona, and Boston in Massachusetts. So this will print the dictionary for me. Now this is the main thing that we are going to understand. So this means create a new column in the data frame df whose name will be state and is equal to df city. Now go to this df city and map according to these values that I have provided. So basically dot map, this means it will go to the city. It will see where, now it will check for the values of the city. So when it comes across the city of San Francisco, it knows it should be mapped to California. So while creating a new column named state, it will map the San Francisco to California. So so a basic example is, now suppose there are thousands of cities present over here. You cannot manually fill those values, but the values are repeated time and again. So you just pick up the unique values of the city and you just make this dictionary over here and apply this function. Even if there are thousands of values, just writing 10 to 12 different line 10 to 12 line of codes are going to fill those values. So let me run this for you. So was my data frame, and this was the dictionary that I created in order to map the values. So you can see San Francisco is properly mapped to California in my new column that I created under the name state, Baltimore to Maryland, Miami to Florida, and Douglas to Arizona, and Boston to Massachusetts. So this was all about the codes in this video. For real using this recipe, you can check these out, and the URL for this code is available in the video below. Thank you.